Hi guys! Today we're going to be making plastic flowers. Here are the things you will need. We're going to start by coloring our big plastic cup. While you're coloring, have an adult set your oven for 350. I finished my big one. Now I'm going to work on a small one. After you're done, have an adult help you cut them. After you cut them, they should look like this. You will have to line a cookie sheet with tin foil. Now you will place your cups on the cookie sheet and bake to 3 to 5 minutes. So ask an adult to help. This is how ours turned out. Some of them are over melted, but you could still make flowers out of them. Now you're going to take your skewers and a hot glue gun and glue your skewers on. Now you will take your flower foam and put it in your pot. You will take your flower bouquet and put it into your pot. And this is my favorite.
This is mine.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.